Hi everyone, it's Gina from Gina K Designs and welcome back to another 5-minute cards video. Today I'm going to show you a technique called the Woodcut Technique. This is an easy technique to do with any chunky stamp. All you need is a wood background stamp, and I have one to show you. It's the Bitty Backgrounds by Deborah Warner, and I'm mixing that stamp set with Love at All Times by Lisa Hetrick. So what I'm doing here is I am just taping down some cardstock into my MISTI to make sure it doesn't move, and I've adhered that large chunky stamp onto my MISTI. I'm going to start with some Kraft ink, and I'm going to ink this stamp up really well. Now I am going to stamp it twice because I want it to be nice and solid, and there are some delicate parts down at the end of the stem and I don't want to squish it too hard. Plus, I don't want to lose any of the detail. See those little white lines in the flower? If you ink too hard or too thick, you're going to lose some of that detail. So you're better off doing 2 light-handed touches to keep all the detail. Now I'm going to use the Bitty background stamp, and I'm going to use this wood stamp here. You can do this with any wood look stamp that you have. I've already applied mine on my block, and I'm going to use some warm cocoa ink. I really like the combination of the Kraft and warm cocoa for this. I think it looks the most natural. So I'm going to ink this up really well because I only get one shot at this particular part of the technique. And I'm going to stamp that right on top of the stamp. So I'm pressing down on it very gently. I'm not trying to wiggle or anything like that. I'm just resting it on top, giving it a second to transfer, and then I'm going to stamp it on top of the flower that's already there. Now, like I said, you only get one shot at that because you can't really use the stamp positioner for this technique, but look at that. Doesn't that look just like a wood cut? So now I'm going to die cut this out using the coordinating die set. And once that's done, I'm going to show you this very simple card layout that I chose to do with this. I really wanted to feature that die cut. So I'm just going to do a little grounding area using this stencil. This is our Harvest Flourish stencil, and I'm using Kraft ink with a very light hand and just in the center and kind of getting wispier and lighter as I work my way out. This just sets up a little grounding area for that image, so it's just not on a white card base. You can see how pretty that looks. Then I mounted that panel onto a black panel and onto a Kraft card base. I used master layouts too to cut those 2 pieces, the white and the black, and then using foam squares or foam tape, I'm just popping this right on top. My greeting is from our Mixed Messages Strip Sentiment set, and I just taped it right on there, and then I thought I'd finish it off with some black pearls. And these are from the Gina K Designs Metallic Pearls, and that set has black, gold, and silver. So I thought these black ones were just perfect. So there's my finished card. Well, I hope you like this woodcut technique, and I hope you'll give it a try. Stay tuned to my channel for more 5-minute card videos, more Foil It Friday videos, and more Stampin' Chat Live videos. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you again real soon.